Eagle Metals, located in Leesport.
I'm applying for a new villain loan. Go by the name of Vector. I have a dream. Do you? Probably not, but mine is to steal the moon. But first, I need the CNC machine from Eagle Metals.
My dream is to steal the moon once. So that means I need the CNC machine. Minions, let's go. Come on.
Eagle Metals has been a precision reroll mill for over 35 years, producing custom-made metal coil and strip for more than 14,000 customers worldwide. A precision reroll mill is a powerful machine that works like a giant, super accurate rolling pin to flatten metal, similar how you might flatten dough.
What would happen if someone were to steal the CNC machine?
Without that machine, parts would be coming out crooked and holes drilled halfway to nowhere. And then I'd have to file a report explaining how a multi-thousand-pound machine disappeared and got hit from a shrink ray.
Make sure you wear your protective gear when going near some dangerous machines. It could get a little evil. I have a master plan. I want to commit the biggest crime in history and steal the moon, but first I need the CNC machine from Eagle Metals.
I'm the Director of Quality for Eagle Metals. The quality standards, we work to industry specifications and customer specifications that define mechanical and chemical properties, such as tensile strength.
Where do you buy the resources and how do you manage them?
Some of the resources come from the United States, the rest comes from Germany, Europe.
Mm-hmm.
Minions, go get him!
I can't believe we successfully stole the moon with the help of Eagle Metals and the CNC machine.